everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can automatically insert a sample text in your Microsoft Word document. First, you need to open your Microsoft Word, go to the window, and from here search Word, and you have to open the Word app and create a blank document. Once you have opened a blank document, here you have to write equals to RAND bracket open and close. And after you have write equals to RAND bracket open and close, press it enter. And now you can see that I have automatically insert the sample text in the Microsoft Word. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.